You're online right now because you want to improve your smile. And I know what you want. You want a smile that looks like this, or this, or this, or even this. My name is Bill Whiten. I'm with Brighter Image Lab. Every one of these are my clients. I designed their smile to be perfectly bright, straight, and white. We call it 10x whitening. No one can get your smile any brighter, whiter, or straighter, and they can't do it faster. We call it 10x whitening because you want the kind of whitening that looks like it was photoshopped. 70% of all the people you see on the red carpet, they all have dental veneers. Think about all the fitness competitions. Think about the pageant contestants. Every one of them have bright, white, straight teeth, and they do it with dental veneers. At Brighter Image Lab, all we do is do smile design for clients all around the world. And we do it for the ones that want the brightest, whitest teeth. I'm going to take a few seconds and show you a few smiles. Look at this person, and this person, and this person. They're my clients. I can't be more proud of this smile or this smile. These people came to me doing exactly what you're doing. They said, I need a bright, white smile. They want the absolute whitest smile possible. So I did it for them, I did it for them, and I did it for her. I was very glad to do this smile. I want you to look at this client. She's been a friend of mine for 10 years, and I was absolutely floored when she asked me to help her improve her smile. She had aging stains, and there was no amount of bleaching that was ever going to work for her. Even laser whitening wasn't going to work for her. I was glad to be able to get her these results. And I'm absolutely proud of the pictures. I want you to look at this client. Could have went anywhere in the world and came to me. Here's another client I couldn't be more proud of. There was no way that she was going to let a dentist grind her teeth down to stumps. It just wasn't going to happen. The reason why I did their smiles is because I knew what they wanted. They wanted perfectly white, glossed teeth, just like you want now. If you're looking at a dentist and you're looking for laser whitening, maybe you're going to a Zoom whitening, maybe you're looking for custom trays or gels. If you want all that stuff, we do it, and there's a link below. But for the masses, you've got other problems. You've got coffee stains, aging stains, tobacco stains, wine stains. Most of you have a Starbucks in your hand right now. A lot of people come to me wanting whiter smiles, but their teeth just aren't perfect. They're broken, they have chips, they have missing teeth, misaligned, or they have excessive yellowing. With BilVeneers, all you have to do is want a whiter smile. It's what we do. I can get you a smile that's amazing. We do it lab direct with no dentist visit. So there's no trays, there's no laser, there's no gel, there's no dentist. Here's one client I want to tell you about. She came to me with teeth that were yellow and teeth that were gapped. I got her teeth 10x white. They're white 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with no exception. We have a lot of pictures from her. This is morning, this is noon, this is night. Here's horse riding. Here's at the rodeo. Here's her at work. Here's her not at work. Here's with her kids. Look at all these pictures. Here's what I want you to see. Every time you see a picture of her, every part of her teeth are perfectly white. Doesn't matter where you're looking. I've shown you all these smiles. Then I get it. You think you can't afford it. Every one of the smiles that I've shown you today could have been done for $149 down. Anyone can become my client. We have easy financing. We can get you into some payments that are absolutely affordable. If you compare what we do to laser whitening or UV lighting at dentist offices and you look at the maintenance and the carry-on year after year, dental veneers are so much less expensive. It's the most affordable option in dentistry. Guys, it's just dramatic results. Look at our pictures, watch our videos, and see our real results. Nothing can get your smile brighter, whiter, or make it last longer. Nothing will. Most of my clients tell me, if what I do really will get their teeth that bright, that white, and make their smile look amazing, then it would change their life. Guys, I did it for all these people, and I can do it for you. Come see me at whiteimagelab.com, and let me see if I can change your life.